Want to go viral on YouTube without showing your face or editing a single frame? Here's how one AI prompt is making it possible. Let's start with the big picture. YouTube in 2025 is a completely different landscape compared to just a few years ago. Right now, people are launching viral channels from scratch, without ever appearing on camera, without expensive equipment, and with almost zero prior experience. The secret behind this new wave of content: artificial intelligence. You've probably seen channels blowing up with short, spooky horror stories, funny cat animations, or even simple animated adventures featuring ducks or other animals. These videos might look simple on the surface, but what's really going on is a powerful AI workflow that makes it possible for anyone to create content that looks and feels professional. The crazy part is that you don't need to be a video editor, a scriptwriter, or even a voice actor. With the right tools, you can start from zero and build a viral channel faster than ever before. So here's the deal: I just tried out this tool called Motion, and I have to say, it's kind of insane. It's an AI-powered platform that just dropped its biggest update yet, and with this, it lets you create entire videos with just one prompt. Seriously, no script writing, no voiceovers, no spending hours editing scenes. I just type out my idea, hit generate, and Motion's AI does all the heavy lifting. It's packed with ready-to-use templates, smarter editing tools, realistic AI avatars, and you can make content in basically any niche you want. Whether you're into horror stories, comedy shorts, educational explainers, or full-on animated adventures, Motion makes it stupidly simple. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need is a video idea. If you're not sure where to start, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm viral concepts. For example, if you want to create a horror story, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 5 viral horror story ideas, specifying the kind of story you want. Maybe something with a twist ending, a creepy setting, or a supernatural element. ChatGPT will quickly give you a list of ideas, and you just pick the one you like best. Once you have your idea, you head back to Motion and paste it into the prompt section. Now, here's where the magic happens. With a single click, Motion's creative AI agent starts working. The first step is the AI director, which plans out the entire video creation process. It decides the language, the aspect ratio, and the visual style for your video. Maybe retro comics for a horror story, or hyper cartoon for a funny animal video. Next, the AI screenwriter analyzes the director's plan and generates a full script tailored to your prompt. The script isn't just generic, it's engaging, matches your idea, and feels like something a human would write. Once the script is ready, the animator AI takes over, creating all the visuals for your video. You can choose to animate everything automatically, or you can tweak individual scenes if you want more control. The animation process takes just a few minutes, and once it's done, Motion generates all the video scenes you need. But it doesn't stop there. Next, the AI editor steps in. The editor sets the text style, scene effects, transitions, and even picks an AI voice for your video. It creates the voiceover, edits the video, adds subtitles and effects, and basically packages the whole thing up so it's ready to publish. At the end, the director delivers a finished video complete with a title, summary, and video tags you can use for uploading to YouTube. You even get a thumbnail and a storyboard, so all the key assets are ready to go. If you spot any mistakes or want to make changes, Motion has a full video editor built in. You can regenerate scenes, upload your own images or video clips, adjust the text, animations, transitions, thumbnail, and even the voiceover. There's a music section where you can pick a background track to match the mood of your video. Once you're happy, you hit export and your video is ready to go. Take, for example, a horror story video. The AI generates a story about a group of friends venturing into Woodgate Forest, where they encounter the mysterious Woodgate Watcher. The visuals are animated in a retro comic style, the script is engaging, and the voiceover is handled by the AI. The result is a polished, professional-looking video that would fit right in with the viral horror shorts you see on YouTube today. And the best part? The entire process took less than 10 minutes with almost no manual input. But Motion isn't just for horror stories. Take another example, how to make a viral cat video. One of the most popular niches on YouTube, you open the Faceless short videos feature, enter a prompt like, "A cat goes on a journey and faces unexpected twists," and let the AI do its thing. You can customize the language, tone, avatar, aspect ratio. For shorts, you'd use 9:16, and visual style. Hypercartoons work great for animal videos. The AI generates all the images and a full script for you. Once your images are ready, you animate them all with a single click. The process takes a few minutes, and then you move on to the final touches. You can adjust the video title, choose subtitle styles, add scene effects like mini zooms, pick transitions, and set the voiceover. Motion offers a range of AI voices that sound natural and engaging, and you can tweak the volume and speed for maximum impact. There's also an avatar feature where you can add a talking character to your video, position it anywhere on the screen, and even place it in a circle for a cleaner look. If you want, you can remove the avatar entirely. The last step is adding a background track. Motion offers a library of music options to set the right mood. Once everything is set, you hit composite, and your video is exported, ready to upload. What's truly revolutionary about this workflow is how accessible it makes content creation. You don't need to be a tech expert, a designer, or a storyteller. You can experiment with different niches: horror, comedy, animals, education, motivation, and see what resonates. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the potential for creativity is off the charts. This isn't just theory, it's a proven system. Channels using these techniques are blowing up with millions of views, sometimes in under 30 uploads. The AI-generated videos look professional, the stories are engaging, and the content is perfectly tailored for the YouTube algorithm, which loves short, high-retention videos. But what about customization and standing out from the crowd? Motion's built-in editor lets you tweak every aspect of your video. Now, anyone with a laptop and an idea can create viral videos in minutes. The key is to start experimenting, find your niche, and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity and strategy. So, if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but felt intimidated by the technical side, now is the perfect time to jump in. With Motion and similar AI tools, you can go from idea to viral video in a matter of minutes, all without showing your face or learning complicated software. This video is proof that it works, and with a little creativity and consistency, you could be the next viral sensation. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what kind of faceless videos you'd like to create, or share your own experiences with AI-powered content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the future of YouTube and digital creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.